Okay, I am Zero the Magical Magician. And I'm going to make my assistants disappear. Audience, are you ready? Stay still, man.
Okay.
Okay. Stay still. Hannah, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Good.
I'm stuck in the creepy. I don't know what I'm in.
What? But you're just under my blanket.
I'm stuck.
Okay, well, I'm going to sleep you under there, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Where is she gone?
What was that?
Oh,
Hey!
what the hell? I don't know. I thought you said you were in a creepy dark place.
That's
But
pretty mean.
that means I'm cool.
You
Yeah.
got the balloon.
That's it.